Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint an Ethereum NFT. First, ensure your digital wallet, such as MetaMask, is set up and funded with enough Ethereum to cover the minting cost and gas fees. Next, select a reputable NFT marketplace or a platform that supports direct minting. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth experience. We'll guide you through each step to get your unique digital asset created. Before minting, prepare your digital asset. This could be an image, video, or audio file. Make sure it meets the platform's requirements, often involving specific file types and size limits, perhaps under 50 megabytes. Craft a clear title and a captivating description for your NFT. Also, decide on your royalty percentage, which typically ranges from 5% to 10% for future sales. Now, let's mint. Connect your digital wallet to the chosen NFT platform. You'll then upload your digital asset, along with its title, description, and any other metadata. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the estimated gas fees, before confirming. Once confirmed, the smart contract will execute, and your NFT will be created on the Ethereum blockchain, usually within minutes. Congratulations, your NFT is now minted and lives on the Ethereum blockchain. You can view it in your wallet and on the marketplace. The next step is to list it for sale, setting a fixed price or starting an auction. Remember to promote your NFT across social media and other channels to attract potential buyers. Engaging with the community can significantly boost visibility and sales.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.